This Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2-tool combo pairs a compact hammer drill and impact driver that feel well-balanced in hand, yet deliver serious power for demanding tasks. Both tools use efficient brushless motors, so you get strong performance with less heat buildup and noticeably longer runtime per battery charge. The hammer drill has plenty of torque and a mechanical clutch that makes it easier to drive fasteners consistently without stripping heads or overdriving into material. The impact driver stands out for its very quick driving speed while still giving you good trigger control for delicate work like cabinet hardware or electrical plates. Two high-capacity 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, a rapid charger, and a sturdy case make this a ready-to-work kit rather than a bare tool purchase that needs extras. Overall, this combo feels durable enough for daily professional use while still being user-friendly for serious do-it-yourself projects around the home.